My dear brother and sister in the state of Manipur, during the last around 24 hours, some incident of clashes, vandalisms, and arson have been reported in Imphal, Shoshanpur, Bishnupur, Kangpokpi, and More, etc. Precious lives have been lost, besides damage of property of residents, which is very, very unfortunate. These accidents are a result of prevailing misunderstanding between two sections of our society. The state government is seized of the developments and taking all steps to control the law and order situation. Additional central paramilitary forces have been requisitioned for deployment in sensitive areas. We are committed to protect the life and property of our peoples. Long-term grievances of communities will also be suitably addressed in due course in consultation with the people and their representative organization. Manipur is a state in which we have all coexisted for centuries. We should not allow the culture of communal harmony between the people living in the state to be disturbed by vested interests. In this hour, I appeal to one and all to maintain peace and harmony in your respective areas. I urge you not to believe in rumors and unverified messages. While soliciting your cooperation in maintaining peace, the deployed state police and the central forces have been directed to take strict action against individual and a group indulgent in violence. We should all stand united to restore normalcy in Manipur at the earliest. And I also want to appreciate and honor the Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram, Ramthangaji, who just recently called me on telephone, and he assured and he apprised many things about the community living in Mizoram and about the communities living in the state of Manipur. I also apprised the present situation that it was because of the misunderstanding and communication gap between the two communities. We are having around 35 communities together here since time immemorial. He also assured me that in Mizoram also, just the peoples from Manipur, people from Nagaland, they are all living together, and it is his responsibility that the people who are living in Mizoram should be safe and should live peacefully. Similarly, I also assure to the Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram that we are having altogether 35 community since time immemorial in the state of Manipur. The incident which was taken place yesterday was due to misunderstanding and some communication gap, and now everything has been settled and will be normalized very soon. Thank you.